Good morning students, I am Mayank Tiwari. Today we will solve test number 46 of the General Agriculture series. Let's start. Student question number 1. Which of the following is a dual purpose breed? Option A Gir, option B Nagori, option C Amrit Mahal, option D Thar Parker. You have to tell which of the following is a dual purpose breed. Students, some of the breeds you must know, like Sahiwal. It is a native of Montgomery, Pakistan, and Sahiwal is the highest and sweetest milk producing cow breed. Second is Gir. Gir origin is your Kathiawar, Gujarat, and it is found in Rajasthan, Ajmer and Bhilwara district. Sindhi is again native of Karachi, and it is excellent dairy breed. It is red brown in color. Now student, broad breed you remember, Malvi, Amrit Mahal and Nagori. Malvi is found in Malwa MP. Nagori is found in Nagpur, Rajasthan. It is superior among broad breeds, Nagori. And Amrit Mahal is found in Mysore, Karnataka. And dual purpose breed students, please try to remember these names: Haryana, Kankarej, Rathi, Thar Parker, Ongol, Mewati. Thar Parker is also again from Sindh, Pakistan, and Mewati from Mathura. And this Ongol students, you remember, Ongol is pure white in color. Thar Parker is also found in Rajasthan other than Pakistan, but it is a native of Sindh, Pakistan only. Rathi is found in Alwar, Rajasthan. You remember from Rathors, these are from Rajasthan, so Rathi is also from Rajasthan, Alwar. It is found in Bikaner and Ganganagar district of Rajasthan. Kankarej is from Kutch, Gujarat. It is the highest body weight in Indian cows, Kankarej. Please students remember it. And Haryana, it is from Hisar, Rohtak. Best dual purpose breed is Haryana. Please students remember it. Student question number 2. Frisian into Thar Parker is. You have to tell what is this cross known as. Frisian. Frisian means Holstein Frisian into Thar Parker. This cross yields what? Option A, Currant Swiss. Option B, Currant Fries. Option C, Merino. Option D, Rambouillet. So student, some exotic breeds and some hybrids you remember, like exotic breed of cattle, Jersey. It is a native of English Channel. Highest fat percentage in exotic breeding present in Jersey. Holstein Frisian. Holstein. From Holstein you remember Holland. It is a native of Holland. Heaviest exotic breed is your Holstein Frisian, and highest milk producing cow in the world is Holstein Frisian, 5,000 to 6,000 liters per year. And Frieswald is Holstein into Sahiwal. Please remember student, Frieswald, Holstein Frisian, Holstein, and Wal comes from Sahiwal. So Holstein into Sahiwal is your Frieswald. It is the highest milk yielding breeds, 14 liters per day. And Brown Swiss is a native of Switzerland. It has Swiss in its name, so Switzerland native. And hybrid developed from NDRA. Student, this Karan is not the name of breeder. Karan stands for Karnal. So one of my friend had having confusion that this Karan stands for a breeder name, but it stands for Karnal. Please remember, these hybrids have been developed by NDRA Karnal. Karan Fries is Frisian into Thar Parker, and Karan Swiss is Brown Swiss into Sahiwal. Student, one of the option I gave was Merino. So Merino is a native of Spain. It is a sheep variety. About 80% of wool that is produced in the world is produced by Merino. You remember it. Rambouillet is a native of Spain, and it is a dual purpose breed. Please students remember it. These Merino and Rambouillet are the native of Spain only. Student, in sheep, please also try to remember Hisardale. Hisardale is a cross of Bikaneri into Merino. Please students try to remember it. And this Gaddi, Rampur Bushire, Bhakarwal, these are the sheep of Himalayan region. Please students remember them. And this Chokla is known as Merino of Rajasthan. Please remember it. And largest sheep is your Lohi. And Mandia variety of sheep is white in color. Tallest breed of sheep is Nellore. And good for mutton, fit for weaving kambal is Deccani. So student, these, and black face is Marwari. And Lohi is prepared from Bhakarwal. Please students remember it. And student, these questions are important. Student, question number 3 you see, which of the following is a correct relationship between mean, mode and median? Option A, mean is equal to mode is equal to median. Option B, 2 mean plus 1 mode is equal to 3 median. Option C, both. So student, which of the following is the correct relationship between mean, mode and median? Usually these both are correct. If the data is symmetrical, then mean is equal to mode is equal to median. If the data is unsymmetrical, you remember this relationship, 2 mean plus 1 mode is equal to 3 median. You just remember like that, mean, mode, median. So 2 mean plus 1 mode is equal to 3 median. Remember like this student, this is very important relationship. This is also called as empirical relationship. Please try to remember them. Student, question number 4 you see, subsidies for ecologically fragile zone comes under Option A, blue box. Option B, green box. Option C, both. You have to tell student, this blue box and green box are nothing but these are WTO subsidies, World Trade Organization. When was World Trade Organization formed? WTO was formed in 1995. It replaced GATT, General Agreement on Tariffs and Trade. GATT was formed on 1948. So please remember this. These blue box subsidies and green box subsidies come under WTO. So you have to tell subsidies for ecologically fragile zones come under option A, blue box, option B, green box. So student, please try to remember these ecologically fragile zone subsidy come under green box. Try to remember it. And subsidy for agriculture research also come under green box. Please students remember it. And these green box subsidies are also called non-actionable subsidies. Student, question number 5, you see it is again very important. The total amount of water present in the soil is known as. You have to tell what is this amount of water known as. The total amount of water present in the soil. Option A, Hollard. Option B, Crisard. Option C, Icard. Option D, none. So student, what is this amount of water known as? Student, this total amount of water present in the soil is called Hollard. What about Crisard? Crisard is the water available to plant. And Icard is not available to the plant. Please students remember it. Total amount of water present is Hollard, out of which Crisard is available to the plant and Icard is not available to the plant. Please students remember it. This is very important and confusing also. Student, question number 6. Pulsation theory of ascent of sap is given by. You have to tell which of these scientists have given pulsation theory of ascent of sap. Option A, Goldovsky. Option B, J.C. Pose. Option C, Stephen Hales. Option D, Baum. So student, these ascent of sap theories are very important. First, vital theory. Vital theory first is relay or clambering pump theory. It is given by Goldovsky. Second is your pulsation theory of ascent of sap. It is given by J.C. Bose. Student, please remember J.C. Bose is also known as father of Indian plant physiology, and father of world plant physiology is Stephen Hales. Please remember it. Root pressure theory coined by Stephen Hales. Physical theory, you have capillarity theory. It is given by Baum. Imbibitional theory, sex. Cohesion and adhesion theory, transpiration pull theory, given by Dixon and Joly, 1893 or 1894. It is the most accepted theory. Please students remember it. Student, question number 7, you see RQ value for protein. You have to tell what is the value of respiratory quotient for protein. Option A, 0.7, option B, 0.8 to 0.9, option C, 1, option D, greater than 1. So student, please try to remember these values. These are very important and one question you can expect from these values. What is RQ? First, RQ is your volume of released CO2 upon volume of absorb oxygen. So RQ value of fat is 0.7, protein RQ value is 0.8 to 0.9, carbohydrate value is 1, succulent value is 0, because for succulent the volume of released CO2 is 0, and for organic acid it is greater than 1. And what will be the value of fermentation? For fermentation, volume of absorbed oxygen will be 0. So for fermentation the value of RQ will be infinity. Please remember it. And for organic acid the value of RQ is 1.33 or greater than 1. You can take any of the option. Student, question number 8 is again very important. Which of the following is the example of day neutral plant? Option A, soya bean. Option B, sugar beet. Option C, sunflower. Option D, castor. So day neutral plant, student, what will be the example? Please try to remember the example, student, of day neutral plant. These are very important. One example I am telling you, groundnut. Groundnut is also a day neutral plant. So student, in day neutral plant you remember buckwheat, sunflower, cotton, cucumber, maize, tomato. These are the example of day neutral plant. What about short day plant? Short day plant are all your kharif crop: tobacco, soya bean, rice, and long day plant are your rabi crop: wheat, barley, sugar beet, castor, generally rabi crop. What are short day plant? Require the day length less than 12 hours for flowering, and long day plant require the day length more than 14 hours for flowering. Less than 12 hours, greater than 14 hours. So please remember these terms. And student, buckwheat is also known as kuttu. It is known as Phagopyron esculentum, its botanical name. Please remember it. Student, question number 9, you see concept of horizontal and vertical resistance is given by. Option A, Nagarhaku. Option B, Harrington. Option C, H.H. Floor. Option D, Wonderplank. So student, you have to tell which of the scientists gave horizontal and vertical resistance concept. This Nagarhaku gave the use triangle, which you make Brassica campestris, oleracea, and from that you derive the various Brassica species. This triangle in Brassica is given by your Nagarhaku. What about Harrington? Harrington gave. So student, this Harrington proposed mass pedigree method. H.H. Floor gave the concept for gene to gene hypothesis, and it for linseed rust, Melamsura linnae, Vanderplank developed the concept of horizontal and vertical resistance. Donald developed the concept of crop idiotype. N.I. Wabilow gave the concept of center of origin in 1935. 8 main center, 3 sub-center, and Mage double cross was developed by Jones. Rimpu developed triticale. This is very important, students. And this is the first intergeneric cross triticale. DT46 is the variety of triticale, and Thomas Fairchild developed the first interspecific hybrid between Sweet William and Carnation species of Dianthus in 1717. Please, students, remember it. Student question number 10, you see, triphenyl tetrazolium bromide is option A Grodex text, option B tetrazolium, option C both, option D none. So student, triphenyl tetrazolium bromide is your Grodex. And what about tetrazolium? It is triphenyl tetrazolium chloride. Please remember it. So students, that's all for today. I hope this will be helpful to you. If this is helpful, please share it with your fellow batchmates. And at the end, please calculate your correct responses for self-evaluation. Thank you.